In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva inside ChatGPT to create and edit designs. We'll go through the full process from opening ChatGPT, finding the Canva integration, connecting your account, generating a design idea, and then finishing everything inside Canva. This is a great workflow if you want to move from a simple prompt to a polished visual without wasting time switching back and forth or starting from scratch. To begin, open ChatGPT and look for the Apps or Tools section. Depending on the version you're using, this area may be labeled slightly differently, but it's usually the place where you can access connected services, plugins, or external tools. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for Canva. When Canva appears in the list, select the Canva app, plugin, or connector if it's available on your account. This tells ChatGPT that you want to work with Canva as part of your creative process. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to check that you're in the correct tools area and that integrations are enabled. Next, connect your Canva account. You'll typically be prompted to sign in through Canva's authorization page. Follow the login process and make sure you're connecting the account you actually want to use for your designs. After that, allow the required permissions. These permissions let ChatGPT send your design request to Canva and return something you can open and continue editing. It's always a good idea to quickly review what access is being requested before approving. Once the connection is complete, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create the kind of design you need. You can request a flyer, a social media post, a presentation, or even a general design idea. The clearer your prompt is, the better the result will usually be. For example, mention the style, purpose, audience, colors, or tone you want so the design starts closer to your vision. After ChatGPT generates the result, open it in Canva. This is where the process becomes especially useful because you can take the AI-assisted starting point and refine it with Canva's editing tools. Review the layout, text, images, spacing, and branding elements to make sure everything looks right and communicates your message clearly. Finally, edit the design as needed and download the finished version. Before exporting, double check for alignment, readability, and any last-minute adjustments. Once everything looks good, download the final design in the format that works best for your project. That's how to use Canva through ChatGPT to quickly create, customize, and finish professional-looking designs.